Our company has formally sold S-5 for 15 years. We get access to all of your materials, data testing. So when a customer calls us or comes to us asking for the right application for your product, we can give them the right product quickly and confidently.
I chose S-5 because it didn't take me long to realize all the testing and certifications that were behind it. Nobody else out there has that. If I'm standing behind a product, if I'm putting my name on a product, I want to partner up with another company that has done the same thing.